There we go.
Okay, Max. Let's push her.
You can push your
push her?
sissy, Max?
Push Penelope.
You gotta pick your feet up, Penelope, so he can push you. Oh, you two are so silly.
Daddy's doing it good.
Well, look at him. He's doing it by himself.
Good job, Max. Let's turn her around.
You're funny, Max. Okay.
Alright, let's turn around again.
You're getting a good exercise, Max.
You are. Look at there.
He's just doing it all by himself. Look at you, Max. Look. And you're not even one yet. And you're pushing your 2-year-old sister.
You are. Max is pushing you, Penelope. Oop, let's go over there, Max.
Go get it. They twist that. Push Max. That's Max's turn.
It's Max.